Hi guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to install the new Shark Demon for the 24 Batwing fairings. We've got a 24 Street Glide here that was donated to us from Motor City Harley Davidson. So let's get after it. Now we're on the back side of the inner fairing here. Going to want to remove the screw here at the bend. And there are 6 screws on the inner fairing. You'll have to turn the mirror to gain access to the top ones. I've already loosened them, but we'll go ahead and pull this screw out. Now we're back up here in the front of the fairing. We're going to remove these 2 last screws there that remove the fairing from the inner fairing. So now the whole fairing will drop down. All right, once we've pulled the fairing away, you can always use fender protection. You can set this on here. There's one plug right here up by the neck. Press it, pull it away. Now we can pull the fairing away from the bike. Okay, here we have the inner fairing sitting on the bench. I have a little block underneath to prop it up so you guys can see everything. But what we're essentially going to do here is remove the headlight out of the inner fairing. You're going to want to remove this screw, this one, and then 2 on the bottom here. But first we got to get rid of this harness here. And I use just a Christmas tree puller. Slide it under there. And it'll pop right up. So you have to follow them to get them out of the way. Makes it easier. Then we want to unplug the connectors, both the turn signals, and then of course the headlight. We can set this aside and reuse it. Then we will remove 4 screws here. This one's first. This one. The 2 on the bottom here. Okay, here we have the headlight now on the bench. What we're going to do is remove the headlight from this bracket, which is actually the headlight adjusting bracket, which our kit utilizes this bracket, so it doesn't change the way you adjust the headlight. It's the same as stock, which makes it really nice. So what we're going to do is remove the 2 side ones and the back here for the adjuster to get the headlight out. Okay, now we can put our bracket onto the stock adjusting bracket. We reuse the stock screws. And start it. Okay, let's go ahead and put the Shark Demon in the bracket. Top always faces up. Put the wire through the hole. Set it in there. These are provided button heads with washers, 4 on either side. Go started. Okay, now we can put Shark Demon assembly back into the fairing. You want to put these tabs under turn signal brackets here. Slide it up under there, like so. Stock screw to start those. Stock harness, route it the same where it was, back in the same spots, plug in the turn signals, get our harness supplied in the kit, plug it in there, plug it into the Shark Demon, there. Now we're ready to put the outer fairing back on the bike. Remember, we're going to plug this back in to where we unplugged it by the neck. The power of editing, that's the last screw going back on. You just follow the steps in reverse, put the fairing on it, and want to bore you with it. And that's the installation of the Shark Demon on the 24 Batwing fairings. Turn the bike on. Check the low beam, check the high beam, everything works. And that's it for the new Shark Demon 24 Batwing. And as always, you can pick them up at your local drag specialty dealer and of course CustomDynamics.com.